free, go.
All right. Basically, each person wants to figure out their own way to approach drawing. However, people who oftentimes use underlying shapes might approach the process with something kind of like this idea, where you block in the geometrical shapes of it and then go from there. And because one of our students had, for our torso homework, had basically done a 3/4 view, and she was really worried about it. She said, she said, I have worked so hard and I can't get it. When she came over for help, I had seen that basically when you are looking at the torso from what is oftentimes referred to as a 3/4 view, you might want to see the torso as a block. So I'm going to darken in some lines to show you what I'm talking about, like this, so that then we might have the chest area, the waist area, and the hip area as a block, so that as we see the median line of the figure coming down the center of the front like this, we would then think of how the side under the arm and all is the side of a block. I mean, you might have heard of a blockhead. Well, you might want to think of the body or the torso as also a block, and this is the median line that would come down through that. So I don't know if that's helpful. I hope it is helpful, and that you can sort of see what I'm talking about in terms of this median line. So I'm going to grab something that's a different color, and I'd show this is the center of the figure. This would be the center between the breasts and the center that would show for the hip area where the legs are separated and where the navel is located. So hopefully that would be helpful in your thinking about the torso as a blocked event. It doesn't necessarily mean that you want to draw that way, but if you remember that there is a side to the hip, a side to the chest, and a front, when you have like the pose kind of rotated away from you, that might be helpful to you.